Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Now, once you have your content ready, simply press power key and volume down at the same time, just a single click of both of these. You'll have a flash and then a pop-up with edit, tag and share options. And after a moment, these options disappear. So once they disappear, you can find your screenshot in your gallery application. You can navigate to albums right here and then select screenshots. And this will show you only the screenshots that I have captured over the time. And there is mine. So, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.